等人家走嘛，也动不了。
So Albert, I just need you and your friend comment. Is it good or bad idea? I charge people $50 for 5 hours. Is it reasonable or not?
Reasonable.
Okay. This is my survey study. Yeah. Because 我希望每天呢
，$50
假如每天呢，一个人找我5个小时啊，我就是 guarantee $50 for 5 hours of fun. Yeah. Excuse me, can I clip this camera? Wait, I clip it.
Camera?
Yeah, correct, yeah. So now,
yeah.
This another model.
Yeah, I won't go to toilet after. No problem,
Okay, just flip. Yeah.
No problem.
But 这个 model this model 就是最好，这个叫做好像 body cam 好像 you are the speaker you are the speaker 你主办一个节目so you use this one you click on the pocket then you film everybody. Yeah.
This one different
This one is called FSB.
Also different
Yeah, every camera actually is to film for different situation. 咪是讲指甲好，指甲好，指甲唔好。我甲阿伯讲我 camera macam 4粒chicken, duck, goose and a turkey. Yeah. So just like everyone is good depending on what you want to film choose the best camera to use it.
他这边叫你讲多罗布兰达 right 如果刚才你讲那边是同一边的，
就在路边。
能讲到几个？
路较近，但是路较近。Handphone can you set handphone can see handphone.
Handphone yes can see. Wi-Fi, but this one don't have Wi-Fi. Yeah, this one no Wi-Fi. Yeah. Actually, you also no need really need a Wi-Fi because you just film then review later. But with Wi-Fi you can see the image on the spot But Like now you're filming, even got Wi-Fi, you don't need to look at the screen every time. You just film first, watch later. Yeah.
Just now you say one set, this one only need one set.
Altogether I got 6 different models. All very high quality one. 6 different. But just now Albert used the first one. That one is the best. That one clip on the cap. Yeah. But like this one, I clip on my cap. This one is the only one got wide angle. Yeah.
Then together different. One set.
All different. Yeah. All depend what you prefer lah. Yeah.
Then the price different.
Price all different. The cheapest is I drop it to 199. I tell you, if anybody
same price.
Got 2 sets is 199. Then the rest is about 299 or up to 499.
This one the 199.
Yeah, this one is all. You can wait 60 days. It's only 199.
60 days.
Yeah, wait for delivery. 60 days. Yeah.
And tomorrow one 299.
If want to buy on the spot, if I got X stock, then I sell at 299. Yeah. So a lot of people actually don't need urgently. Correct. Yeah. Those people need urgently. Is sometimes business problem. Yeah, correct. But they pay easily because all business problem. Yeah. Because hip kick toe is at just like get it or next Sunday, another Sunday also you can film it. Yeah.
6 months.
Yeah. No, 60 days.
60 days.
60 days. 2 months only.
2 months.
Yeah, 2 months. Yeah.
199.
Yeah.
呢個冇真慢慢表現。
對啦，兩個幾兩啊？
是真最難買哦。Then 我 stock Khakis 來哦，我做 Khakis 神啊。
199 2 months 啊。
Yeah, 2 months because
3 months 呢？150。
是講當 3 years 我多條啊。
4 months 呢？100。100。
No, because I get the idea from the
$50.
Yeah.
Ruby.
5 years I have to pay you.
To edit, right? Free.
Yeah, editing will be the next step.
1 year.
If you know how to do simple editing, then you don't have to waste money. But editing is not easy.
Is it not done by you?
Not done by me. My editing I outsource to students. So let's say now you film with 4 camera, the smart TV. 50 or 16 inch cost less than 1,000. Then do a simple edit like CCTV 1, 2, 3, 4. Your video become very interesting. Yeah, I've got 4 different angles.
So you are getting the students to do for
you.
Because
I want to get them to give the best rate. So everybody happy, my customer, the student and myself. Because I'm not going to make money from the editing. So it's just like I'm helping my customer to make the video even better to watch.
How much normally it costs you to edit?
I just started to ask them. I don't know how much they're going to. Yeah. Okay. So what they quote me, I just tell my customer. They can go direct to the student.
I see.
Yeah. This way. Okay. One day you see me wear the plastic dustbin. The dustbin is very quite long. You wear the plastic bowl or dustbin become like my helmet. I can easily want to have 10, 20 cameras, so no problem. Just stick all on my head. You are walk around, people. Just now I'm filming people looking at us already. So you are wear, funny like a clown. People be all staring at me. Yeah, I'm going to do this walking along Orchard Road. Yeah, then I dress my clothing all got very catchy words. So if people want, I got pockets. People just take my card or my flyer. Yeah. So like now while resting, not go anywhere for maybe half an hour, I can use that cable, just tie to any, rod about the bar, the handle, then just aim at us, the whole group. So no need people to hold. Yeah, there you see like now all these things, you see I can just secure it with the rod on top easily. Yeah. Of course, the camera supplier and manufacturer want to make a lot of money from the consumer. So they make all the special customary accessory to make consumer money.
Is it all in front here?
这样就不可以 WiFi 了，太多人了，所以帮忙加分。还要付小费的。